How to make homemade barbecue rub. The making of a great rub always starts with nice and easy ingredients. In this rub, we're going to start with 1/4 cup of brown sugar. We're going to use a tablespoon of paprika at least. It's going to give us that beautiful smoky flavor and color. A tablespoon of fresh ground black pepper. We've got a tablespoon of cayenne pepper here. If you don't like it spicy, go down on it. If you like it spicier, go up. 1 tablespoon of ground ginger. A tablespoon of Jamaican jerk seasoning. This adds amazing depth of flavor. In here I've got some Himalayan sea salt that I'm using, but you can use any type of salt. We're going to go in with a tablespoon of cumin. We've got a tablespoon of ground garlic powder. Delicious. Here we've got a tablespoon of onion powder. Whoops, this is a brand new one. Sorry about this, folks. I got to open this up right here. Okay. And as I said, 1 tablespoon of onion powder. And we're going to go with 1.5 tablespoons of chili powder. Love this flavor. And what we're going to do is we're going to mix this up. Now, I usually keep my brown sugar in the refrigerator, so it does get a little clumpy. What I'll do is just go in with one hand and just pinch those clumps to make them loosen up. And then stir, 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 stir. See? Beautiful. Aww. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please be sure to hit that like button if you did, and don't forget to subscribe. It costs you absolutely nothing, but helps our channel a lot. Have a great day, and happy cooking.